Ciao Tesla people, we'll do a Supercharger Talk number 11 while I'm charging. So let's plug the car. So this is, I have to figure out the connector here. This is connector 102, 76 102, okay. So which one is going to be? Let's try this guy. Okay, yes. Flat, and let's see which one is going to give me. Yeah, always the wrong one. Can't believe it. Okay, let me push it here, and this is blinking blue. Yeah, come on. And it's green. Fantastic. Okay, let's get in. It got really warm here. Now it's 33 degrees Celsius, which sucks. I wish it was much cooler. Anyway, so I'm charging. They changed the tag there and it's wrong again. Well, whatever. So I'm charging to 95%. Let's do a one-time charge. Yeah, 95%. I'm at 72%. And it's charging at 53 kilowatts right here. And the reason I'm charging at 95 is because tomorrow I'm going back to Florence, 400 kilometers trip, and I want to stop only one time at Magliano Sabina, so I just want to make sure that I get there with some charge left in case anything happens. Anyway, let's do the Supercharger Talk number 11. And let's start with the news that FSD 12.4 has been released to, before last week was released to internal testing at Tesla, so Tesla employees and some other beta testers. Actually, they're no more beta testers, but testers. And now it's been released to customers. And the version that is software update is the 2024.15.5, and the FSD is 12.4.1 if I'm not mistaken, but it's the .4, which is great because they improved it a lot. And I saw some videos of people testing this FSD, actually the premium version, the just previous version, and it's doing really great. It's fantastic. So I can't wait to see coming to EU. And on that note, we don't have it yet in Europe. I'm pretty sure someone is testing, maybe some Tesla employees and stuff, or some beta tester, I'm not sure. But it's going to be released in China, FSD. They got approved by the authorities, and the reason is because, you know, China doesn't allow to share data collected in China outside of China. So somehow Tesla had the permission to do it, which is great. And the difference is that there, the maps are provided by Baidu. And I saw some videos, the quality of the maps are really, really good compared to the ones that we have in the EU or US. So FSD is going to be really, really good in the coming weeks. Hopefully there'll be a beta test drive here in Europe too. Now the other thing that I wanted to talk about it is the spring update. There are a bunch of updates that came with the spring update. Of course the UI, there was a big UI changes. The other thing that I wanted to test, I'm going to test it tomorrow in the highway, is the speed camera chime. So if you go to, I think it's navigation, yeah. So in navigation, there is this speed camera chime, and there is the tag new. And basically when you reach a speed camera, we call autovelox here in Italy, we should get a chime. I don't know what it sounds like, so tomorrow I'm going to be testing. Hopefully I can do a video. So this is going to be interesting. And then there are a bunch of changes that I see in the UI. For example, what I don't like here, you see here the green is going from down to up because it's charging. Not sure if you can tell. So if you see the width of this line, I already complained about it, it's too thin. There is no point on having this right there because the user experience is bad. So either make it larger or they move it up here. And I would prefer to move it up here, similar to the had before, because the percentage and the battery charge are up here. And this is related to charging the battery or to regenerative braking. So it's part of, you know, this battery and percentage type of UI and user experience. I hope they change it. I actually put a poll on my Twitter account, which is Ciao Tesla, and also on the community tab in the in my YouTube channel. So check it out. In the meantime, please subscribe and put a like on this video. It will help me a lot with making the videos. Now, the other thing that I wanted to talk about is the Berlin and the China Gigafactories are closing for about 5 days. Most likely it's retooling, and there are some speculation that they are adapting the lines for the upcoming Model Y Juniper. We don't know yet. Some people are actually speculating that the new Model Y refresh called Juniper is going to be available or starting production in July. We don't know yet because Tesla was pointing out that later in the year, or maybe even the beginning of next year. So this is just speculations. Time to time lines, production lines, they do retooling because they improve their manufacturing and stuff. So we don't know yet. And yeah, that's it. So let's see how long it takes. It says 20 minutes remaining. I'm going to talk to you again when I'm done. And then for now is okay. Everything is, yeah, 51 kilowatts of speed, which is okay. I was sure I wouldn't make it fast because the car is pre-charged. Anyway, I'll see you in a bit. So I'm back. I'm at 94%. Still charged at 29 kilowatts. I added 17 kilowatts hour. The limit is at 95%. Okay. So it should be anytime I will stop to charge. Anyway, I wanted to tell you, I'm going to do a test later on. I have an EcoFlow battery, the Delta 2 Max. I think it's around 2 kilowatts. And I wanted to test if that battery can charge the car. So I'm done. So let's get out and stop the charge, okay? Unlock the port. Let me close the door because it's freaking hot. And remove this guy, of course. And that's it. And I'm done. So now I'm going to move from here because there are no people charging. Actually, there is another car there. I think it's a Polestar too. Not sure. Anyway, I'm going to move from here so that other people, if they come to charge, they can charge. In any case, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.